Hello dear friends. Thank you, Heema, for introducing me so nicely. You are such a great artist. Special thanks to Donna, who took us on this adventure for the second year in a row.
Would you like to hear my Halloween story now? I cannot tell you this story because we don't have this tradition in Slovenia. We only know Halloween from movies and internet. In Slovenia, November 1st is the Day of the Dead. I know, it sounds weird. On this day, families go to the cemetery, to the graves of our loved ones who are no longer with us. All the graves are beautifully decorated, candles are burning everywhere, and vases are full of chrysanthemums. Families from near and far gather on this day and remember our loved ones who have left us. We remember the days and events when they were still with us. It's nice to see our relatives and hear some new story. I have had my father in my mind and heart every day since he has passed away. My mother, sister, and children will remember the most beautiful events with him. My father gave me the greatest gift in life. He believed in me. Daddy, I love you and I miss you so much.
Dear friends, thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I would appreciate your thumbs up and constructive feedback. Thanks to you too for all the thanks. Thank you for helping me build my channel and contributing to the art I love. Now get ready for a new adventure with Artista Rucci, an excellent artist who masters many techniques. You will not be disappointed. The link to everyone who participated yesterday and today is below in the description. Thank you for being with me.
Save the dates for this crossover event. All collaborators as follows: Camile Amoy Art, the Brit Girls Go Stateside, art by Donna. Kim's Kreations, Matilda and Josephine, Oak by Betina, Cynthia Porter Studio, Laura Houston Art, Heema Art, JB Poor Art, Janya Bremick, Artista Rucci, Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, Nina Art Life, Brit Girls Go Stateside again, and The Morning Pour by Holly. And the Oscar goes to... This is the second year crossover event hosted by Art by Donna. Please subscribe early and set the date.